Hello again. Another month has passed, so it's time for the March summary. The panels were installed on the 4th of February. They were installed by the company SolarSmart. March had a few more sunny days, and the days are starting to get longer. Thanks to that, we managed to generate 520 kilowatt hours this month. That gives us a daily average of nearly 17 kilowatt hours per day, which covers around 75% of our usage. 131 kilowatt hours were exported to the grid. Just a reminder, I have 12 AIKO panels, each rated at 455 watts peak, a Sigen kilowatt inverter, an 8 kilowatt hour battery, and an Eddi water heating system. When the battery is fully charged, the extra energy is used to heat the water up to 60 degrees Celsius. After that, any remaining electricity is sent to the grid. In the next video, I'll share my first electricity bill, and we'll compare it with the actual production from the solar system. Until next time, please subscribe and leave a comment. It really helps me grow my channel.